guys, Looks by Honey here and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a skincare routine. This is a DIY skincare routine. For today, I'm going to make two different types of toner. Starting off with apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is very good for your skin. It balances your pH. Now we need 52 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. And make sure when you're getting your apple cider vinegar, it says with the mother. Hope you can see that, right? There are bits on the bottom, so when you shake it, you mix everything together. You also need a container. Any container will do, just make sure the container is clean. So this is our 52 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. I'm just going to be putting it into this bottle. You also need the same quantity of water and make sure you shake it properly. Moving on to the second toner, you can use a green tea with lemon or just a normal green tea. You take a 2 sachet of green tea, open it up, turn it into a bowl, pour hot water to it, any amount of hot water you know you need, and leave it to sit for 30 minutes. Or you can do it at night and leave it to stay overnight. When you soak it, make sure it's brewed. After brewing it, all you need to do is to filter it. You can use any cotton cloth. I'm going to be using this. This is just a handkerchief. After filtering it, this is what it's going to look like. All you need to do is to blend your cucumber and take the juice of the cucumber, which is this. Just want to mix it into that green tea. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of witch hazel. Because I've got acne prone skin, now I'll be going in with my tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is very nice for your skin. It's soothing as well, which is really good. All you need is 5 drops of tea tree oil. And I'm turning it into this container. The whole idea of using the green tea is because green tea can treat sagging skin, sunburn, age spots, and helps fight acne-causing bacteria. It helps shrink blood vessels underneath the delicate skin around the eyes, also improves the skin elasticity. The anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidant in green tea helps treat puffy eyes as well as dark circles around your eyes. It helps draw out impurities, reduces large pores, and gives your skin a nice healthy glow. It reduces redness, inflammation brought by acne. It even helps keep your skin hydrated. That's why I use the green tea. The first thing we're going to do is to clean up your face. And if you've got any makeup on your face and you want to clean it up, you can go with olive oil or you can go with coconut oil. After applying it to your face, you leave it to sit for some minutes. Then you use a wipe to wipe it off. But I've not got any makeup on my face, so I'm just going to dive right into the skincare. The first thing we're going to be needing is our toner. I did 2 toners. This is the one with the apple cider vinegar and water. This is the one with the green tea. So you need a cotton pad. I'm just going to be using the apple cider vinegar one because I prefer using this one in the morning because it's mild. Just going to be cleaning off my face with that. You might not like the smell of this because it doesn't have a nice smell. Yeah. This is actually good on your lid, especially when you have those spots on your lids caused by makeup. Now moving on to face wash. And what I'll be using for my face wash is my aloe vera gel. So we'll be taking 2 spoons of aloe vera gel. White sandalwood powder. White sandalwood powder, it's really good for your skin. It has this bleaching property in it. Jojoba oil. Castile soap with no scents in it. Lemongrass. Frackences oil and lavender essential oil. The reason I'm using lavender is because it helps with redness and soothes your skin. You also need a container. The reason I'm using aloe vera gel because it is especially useful for soothing dry, flaky, irritated, and inflamed skin conditions. We're going to be taking 20 ml of the Castile Soap. Now we're going to be taking 2 tablespoons of sandalwood powder. We're going to be taking 5 drops of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil doesn't tighten your face. This doesn't clog your pores as well. Now adding lemongrass. Lemongrass is very good when it comes to acne prone skin. We need 10 drops of lemongrass. Now we're going to be adding 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Frackences essential oil is very great for the quality of your skin. We'll be adding 10 drops. Now adding 52 milliliters of water. Now you want to mix the ingredients together. After mixing it up, the consistency is going to be like that. Now you want to store it in your container. This is the DIY face wash. We're just going to be using that to wash our face. Lathers properly, you can see that. This is really good. I did this according to my skin type, just to let you know what works for me might not work for you, and what works for you might not work for me, and what works for me might even work better for you. That's just the way it is. I'm not a dermatologist, I'm not a chemist, I'm not a doctor. I'm just a girl that likes to prepare things on my own, and if some reason when you do these things on your own, all you want to do is to wash it off. Pat dry your face, don't rub your face because you don't want any wrinkles on your face. Now the next thing you're going to do is to apply your scrub. You all know this DIY facial scrub. I've done it before. I think I'll leave the link in my description box below. This removes all the dead skin and allows any cream you apply to your skin absorbs and work faster. After scrubbing it, you want to wash it off. Done with that, you just want to pat dry. Now moving on to face mask, and what I'm using to make my face masks is rice flour. If you've got rice already at home, you can blend your rice. That can also be rice flour. Honey, milk, blended green tea. If you have a green tea powder, that's fine. And a bowl for mixture. You also need a container for storage. We're taking 3 tablespoons of rice flour. The reason I'm using rice flour is because rice flour has been used for cosmetics healing agents for centuries and quite common for Japanese recipes. It's rich in vitamin B, which stimulates growth to keep the skin in perfect condition and to prevent skin from aging. After the application, it leaves your skin looking velvet, soft, light and radiant. That's why I used the rice flour. Now we're going to be taking 2 tablespoons of green tea powder. I've explained to you guys about honey before. Honey has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory. 2 tablespoons of honey. Now we're going to be adding milk to this face mask because milk has a lactic acid in it, bleaching properties. Milk is really good for your skin. That is why the Cleopatra bathe in this milk. So we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of milk. Now you want to mix it. After mixing it, this is what the consistency is going to look like. Now you're going to be turning it into your container. Now going in with the face mask. Now you want to leave it to sit for 20 minutes and then you wash it off. Now the face mask, you leave it in your fridge for up to a month. Then you can throw what's left in the bottle away. The face wash, you can use this as long as you want. Just want to leave this on your face for 20 minutes and do whatever you want to do. I don't have what I want to do, so I'm just dancing around waiting for 20 minutes because I want to take my shower. Alright guys, I'm going to be washing this off my face now. Now you just want to pat your face dry. Now going in with the face moisturizing cream. For the face moisturizing cream, all we need is aloe vera gel, organic coconut oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, lavender essential oil, lemon essential oil, tea tree essential oil, saffron, storage container, beeswax, and the mixing bowl. I'm just going to be taking half of the beeswax. I broke it into two. I'm going to be taking this part of it. Now taking 2 spoons of coconut oil. Now adding 1.5 tablespoons of vitamin E oil. Now placing it in hot water because I want it to melt. Now adding my sweet almond oil. 3 tablespoons of almond oil. Now adding a pinch of saffron. This is a pure Spanish saffron. Now topping my lavender essential oil. 5 drops of lavender essential oil. Now topping my tea tree essential oil. 3 drops of tea tree essential oil. Now topping 3 drops of lemon essential oil. Now you want to mix it. Now this is the time you want to top your aloe vera gel. I'm taking 3 spoons of aloe vera gel. If you want to get a smooth and nice consistency, I suggest you blend this. Now I'll be storing it in this container. I've mixed it and put it in my storage bottle. So this is what it looks like. This face moisturizer is really good for your skin, full of antioxidants. And what makes it nice is the essential oil in it. It lasts as long as you need it to. Now going in with my lip balm. So that's it, guys. That brings us to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video. Bye.